There are three key things to focus on when practicing the rolling diving method. Firstly is if I'm going to my right, the first thing I want to be doing is I want to open up my right hip. If I'm going to my left, I want to open up my left hip. Alright, so you want to open up the side you're leading. That means that your torso rotates and you are therefore side on to where the ball is coming from. Right, that's the first part of the rotation. Secondly, once we've rotated and are reaching out for the ball, we need to try and be as steady as possible and keep our hands nice and soft. Right, if our hands are tense, we're not going to be able to catch the ball in the first place. And if our head is moving around, if our eyes are closed, if we're not watching the ball, we're not going to be able to catch. All right, so our eyes and our hands are also really important. Nice soft hands, watching the ball, steady into the hands. And the third key thing is the landing process. All right, so once you've taken the ball, once you've landed, you want to make sure that when you come down, you land on your non-leading arm. So in this case, going to my right, it's my left arm. You land on your non-leading arm, you roll, and you roll all the way onto the back, and your momentum will take you the rest of the way. All right, if you're landing on your elbow, it's going to jar, very serious chance of injury. If you're landing directly onto the shoulder like this, also very serious chance of injury. All right, so you want to be making sure that you try and keep this sort of in a circle, nice round position, so that when you hit the ground, you can roll with it. All right, you're going to see that in my demonstration. To practice this, all you need is a wall and a bit of lawn. Right, you're going to start on your knees and just practice taking the catch and rolling. Then you're going to move back a bit, throw a bit harder, and you're going to move and then take a catch and roll.